from the generator, blow the detonator. Decimate the place and left the radius a crater. I cater to the greater entertainer. It blaze the remainder with the energy of anger. Celebrate the maker, I mutilate later. And play a naysayer like an amplified bass player.
Open and bring raw dosage in the form of swarm locusts, beetles and birds that seem evil and absurd. Gather with the eagles who swerve the form herds. Butterflies made of iron ride the horizon, giving credence to the revival of Poseidon, who feeds in the clear water. You fear slaughter, but Lovecraft often brings the horror for tomorrow. Zombies and walking dead stalk the talking heads. Insects with awful legs, haunt with awful dread. All along the web, the thread remains red. With bloodshed that led to where the little feet fled. To lost places, thought lost from all ages. With small faces sitting in walls of tall maces that overlook the boats in the floor with long cases. Connected to the earthly core through elevators. The underground is made of velvet, where butter soft brothers talk tough on wax but ain't shell shit. Every crack of the back ain't the Elvis. My aqua lung cultivates the blue oyster shellfish. I design my pearls before swine and form rhymes to take you to a world before time, where living things coexisted with crimson kings who on the moon's dark side painted pretty things that illustrated lessons conceived by the mothers of invention, who also built a stairway to heaven as a present, only to be stolen by a thief, the Judas priest who unleashes devil magic. My mental fabric too thick for Lenny Kravitz, who imitates Jimi Hendrix in every facet. Semi-automatic rap, heavy metal jackets, kill with mathematics, the building black